So welcome everyone. This is part 4 of the Triad series. So this is pattern 2, the A pattern. We call the A pattern, and this is the major position, right? This would be the D. This would be a D major though, because we have the root there on the 7th fret of the 3rd string, right? This is the D major, but in the A pattern, we call the A pattern because, so if you remember from part 1, would be the D pattern here, right? And then right after it starts the A pattern. So this is the A pattern, but it is, of course, a D major chord. Just a quick refresher here. And the reason they call it the A pattern is because you're probably familiar with this. This is the open A position, right? The A chord that we always play, where you just bar the second string or the second fret, or you use all 3 fingers. However, we want to play it, but this is how it sounds. That's the open A position. So that's why we call it the A pattern, because that's where it comes from. It's also the pattern, the bottom part of the pattern for a major bar chord with the root note on the 5th string.